Hey friends, if you wish to activate Windows 11 in PowerShell, then please watch this video. The answer is don't do that. Never ever try to activate it on PowerShell because the scripts that are available online are using a trick from GitHub which is not allowed. Now, what should you do in this case? I'll tell you the right method. When your Windows is not activated, you'll see the activation troubleshooter here. Since my Windows is activated, I will not see this, but you will notice something called as troubleshooter at the bottom. Click on that and run the activation troubleshooter. It will detect the key by itself. That is the right way to activate it. Do not use any script or anything else other than this method, because if you do, they may push an incorrect license into your system, and that will be a much bigger problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.